Okay, so very first thing you need to do is make your buttons. And so this is your button right here, and then all this stuff over on both sides is how you design your button. So if you wanted to make a button that leads to, I don't know, information about, say, your office hours, then you're gonna just type in office hours and then it just changes. And then you can change all this stuff. You can change the color, just like whatever color you want, and do whatever you want, change the size and all that. And then you can download it and all that stuff. But what I do is just right click, save the image, name it whatever I want, and then just save it. And then I have it as saved as a picture on my computer. Okay, and then when you're ready to hyperlink, what you're going to do is pull in your picture. So you're going to upload your image, and I'm going to go to my pictures, and I actually have this one that I made a while back. I think it's going to be real big. Oh no, it didn't turn out real big. Okay. Um, and then I make sure that it comes in. Okay, and then I'm going to make sure I highlight it, and I'm going to go over here to this little links, and this time I'm going to choose course links, and now I am going to link it to the module that I want to link it to. So maybe at the beginning I want to link it to the first week's module, so that'll take them to the very top. And then I'll just go ahead and save this. And so when we save it, and then it takes you right up to the top of the first module.